For the repair of the Vega monitor, the following procedures were necessary: replacement of its electronic components and general cleanup of the unit. For testing, we had a 44-volt AC power supply, a 4 to 20 mA input signal, and a multimeter in order to measure the milliamp output. By manipulating the milliamp input, the unit reacts, and we can see the value on the monitor as well as the milliamp output on the multimeter screen rising. No further testing is possible due to lack of additional units. It is now clear that the monitor is working successfully and is ready to be delivered to the customer.